go by the way. What's good, kids? Oh my lord. Back another day trying to set these monitors. Your boy needs to pass inspection. Oh my lord. Yeah, man. Fucking expired tag gang. Let's see if I can even see this shit. Fucking GoPro app. I don't know what the fuck just happened to it. Anyways. Expired tags. Fucking New York State. God damn you. Got me jumping through hula hoops and shit. But let's get this thing connected. I'm gonna go for some highway driving. I'm gonna go to Woodbury Commons, pick up some sneakers since my shits are fucking woofing. Oh shit. You feel me? There's lighting in this club. You catch me. So I'm gonna drive this around. Hopefully these monitors come on. I got a 4:30 appointment. And yeah. This car is fucking killing me, man. It's my fault, but it's still killing me, man. J down and wire tuck. Decent. Alright. Here we go. Sorry, people that I love and live with. That's progress. I got a fucking defouler in here, so we're gonna go put a ton of miles on this thing and fucking hope by 4 these bricks turn on. I love it. Alright. That. Fuck. You can hear that thing rattling on the fucking downpipe. Fucking custom fit. But yeah, I'm gonna drive this thing around, Just hope to God that these fucking things turn on, man. I need to get this thing inspected. But, yeah. One day he'll read 85. Alright, I'll get back on at the bank. This life kicks ass. Here's the future to boost. Wow. To the moon! Alright, to the moon head. Stay tuned.
Alright, you're all set. I'll send you out a receipt.
Alright, thank you, man.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh. Dogecoin kicks ass. Decent. Doge. That's not decent. Let's be up. Oh, that didn't take long. Man. Well, hopefully this guy gives me some justice, but I don't really think so. Oh well. Stay tuned. Another Charlie. Like I said, free J5. Apparently not looking too good. He's definitely writing some ticks. If they may have to tow me out of here, I'm gonna be so tight, dude.
Alright, sir. So here's the deal. You're just going to be receiving the ticket for the inspection today. Not going to bother you for the tints, not going to bother you for the exhaust, not going to bother. This is technically your registration's expired as well.
Okay.
So out of all that, it's not a moving violation. It's not going to be points on your license.
Okay.
You know, like you said, you're making efforts to get it fixed.
Yeah.
If you decide to plead not guilty, mail it in, and then show whatever proof that you've been trying to figure it out.
Yep.
That's going to be up to you. It's up to the court. It's
Okay.
out of my hands at this point. There's two ways to answer this ticket. You can plead not guilty, mail it in, they'll send you a date to appear, or you can plead guilty, mail it in, and they'll send you a fine, okay?
Okay. Dude,
Okay, sir.
I appreciate
Drive safe.
Cops aren't that bad after all. Uninspected motor vehicle. Drop an idea. Damn it. Stay tuned. Oh, my teeth. Ugh. Oh, I'm scared. Out of control. Alright. Let's move on from the stock. Wow. Alright. knows? Baby. Fucking readiness. Let's see if I go. You sure you want to exit? Yes. Let's go. Alright, so far, cat is incomplete. Oh man. So it's just gonna be a hope and dream sesh. I'm gonna let this thing cool down all the way. I'll go walk around this fucking place. Maybe catch some candid shots and then yeah, I'll drive back to there, let it cool down, smack some back roads. 4:30, just hope to God. Alright, been almost 2 hours, let's see, hour and 20 minutes since I arrived here at the Commons. Bought a pair of shoes, tried to waste as much time as I could to let the coolant temp drop. Let's see, I'm gonna start this up now. I believe you want it to be at least like 120 something for a cold start. So we'll get into that. Right, I just downloaded this. I have no idea how to use that, but we'll get into that in a second. Alright, here we go. Let this idle for 2 minutes, the AC on, some shit like that. Driving on the highway for that 55 miles per hour, steady for mad miles, do the deceleration without any brake or clutch, Google research, see if I can set that cat monitor, and then I'm going to run the readiness when I get back to Wappingers. Cheers.
Since the Commons. At least 11 miles. This is fucking shiesty.
I've completed like 2 to 3 drive cycles. Maybe one of them didn't count because I really don't know what I'm doing. But yeah. Shouts out my nigga Dennis. Come get a steak. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Little mama say, you know. So I get this coolant temp down, then I get it inspected. Huh? No. And in this very moment, the audience recognizes as J5 approaches the tail end of his car, making his way to the driver's side as he is about to relieve one of the biggest moments in his car tuning career. Or, well, the fake it till you make a car tuning career. Wow, that dent sucks. But anyways. Past inspection. Didn't have to go to the Bronx. Yo. Shouts out Frank for throwing in the O2 sensor defiler for me. Appreciate you, my guy. Shout out C-Ron for supplying it for me so we didn't have to fucking ship it, so I can actually drive this thing to Florida and not have to wait for shipping. Shouts out Aaron Shazadi for answering first try on Facebook Messenger. God bless America, the land that we all love. Fucking dude put me on to the secondary engine coolant temp sensor that automatically enables when you reflash. So definitely peep that if you're overheating and surging idle. Who else? Who else, man? I think I touched base with them all, man. Fucking sorry you're looking at 120 frames with no sound, but I forgot to change my camera settings. So, yeah. Cheers to everybody. God bless. Oh, oops. Amen, my nigga. Thanks for always answering my calls and texts, my guy. You're my fucking Honda guru, Kate. Appreciate you. Cheers.